Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel.
Hope you're all doing good. We are doing... Because we are doing great.
We are doing fabulous. We're doing more than great because, as you can see by the room,
in this beautiful setup that we've got.
Very crisp and white. We are in Palmanova. Are we in Mallorca?
Is it Mallorca or Majorca?
Or is it Menorca?
Mallorca, isn't it?
Well, we're in Menorca.
We're in Palma.
Palma. So we're going to start this vlog off by showing you a little bit of the travelling that we did earlier.
That we filmed
today.
Travelling. Duh.
Okay, just show them the travelling.
Okay.
So that is how we ended up here. We got on a plane, we got on a coach.
All the usual stuff really.
Yeah, just travelling and sweaty and...
It was all good though.
Oh yeah, Jet2's flight was pretty decent, wasn't it?
Yeah.
They came around with a trolley twice.
Yeah, not that we got anything.
No, Danielle was asleep the whole time and I read my Harry Potter script book thing. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child.
Yeah.
Child.
And we're going to give you a little room tour now. Because we know everybody loves the...
Why can't we speak today? I think it's because we were up early. Our flight was at 7:30.
Yeah.
And we got up around...
I didn't...
Yeah, Danielle didn't sleep. I went to bed at like 10 and got up. What time did you wake me up? About 3:30?
Yeah.
About that. So I'm okay, but Danielle's not doing so well either then.
No.
But yeah, let's give you a room tour. No room service today.
Nini, let me in.
Welcome to our hotel room. Let us take you into the first room on our right as soon as you come in. Come on. Anyway, so yeah, you come in and look at this glorious, huge mirror. Absolutely amazing. You get a little mini mirror here if you need to shave your tash or something, then. And then you get these cute little travel bags, aren't they really? Shaving cream, a toothbrush, you know, just in case you've got anything, a hairnet, some tissues, body wash, shampoo, conditioner, soap, a little needle and thread with a button, you know, just in case. And you get a little comb as well.
Shower, one shower.
Huge. It's actually really
is.
It doesn't look that big on camera, but
it does, you know.
Does it?
Still looks like, well...
It's a lot like I'll go stand in.
And do some lengths.
Yeah. I've got loads of room to run. Look at that. And I'm 6 foot and I've just, you know. Right, follow me.
Hairdryer too.
Oh yeah, follow me. Come on.
Next.
So as you come in the door, you just want to come up here. And
whoa.
This is the bed.
This
is the bed. That we got our own little We Love Summer in Spain carrier bag for life. How amazing is that? Take that to the shop with us later when we go get some snacks. Got some towels here that pretty much everybody around the pool is using, but we'll show you that when we show you the pool. You get over here, sorry about that. A huge wardrobe with a nice lengthy mirror.
Yeah.
Where we can do like, you know, outfits of the day. This is from Primark, this is Boohoo Man and show them my bottoms. This is also Boohoo Man.
Pretty little thing. Primark. H&M. Ah, you just punched me.
Yeah, so inside here as well, you get proper coat hangers, plastic, instead of the, you know,
just them annoying ones that you have to like stick back on the hook.
Yeah, you get two extra pillows.
Didn't even ask for them.
No, and then the other side is just the same, isn't it?
Yeah, but
you just get extra shelf space.
Oh, is that more pillows?
Oh my god!
Is it? Oh,
it only
spoiled?
is 3 pillows each.
Spoiled then?
Love that. Right, next, I'm the leader.
Oh, sorry.
I'm the tour guide. Right, okay, so over here.
Yeah.
Oh, by the way, we've got 2 little bedside tables.
Yeah, with a lovely picture going along the back.
Over here.
Oh, it keeps on focusing this in that camera.
Over here we've got a little chair.
Yeah.
With like a little desk, you know, where we can put our laptop on and edit these vlogs.
Yeah.
Well, where Danielle can edit these vlogs.
Yeah.
You get
I love the little light things on the wall. I think they're so cute.
You like all the little touches, don't you? That adds to the place. The telly is a huge LED.
LG.
LG LED.
It's just a big, massive telly, really, isn't it?
Kettle, 2 cups, tea bags, coffee, milk, sugar, you know, all that
All
jazz.
the good stuff.
And in a little cute little mini fridge that we can pour waters in on a night.
Take us outside, Nin.
Hold on. You get loads of these. There's 2 here, and then 1 each beside the bed. However, we have only brought 1 plug.
Oh, are you kidding? Have we really?
We've brought 3 adapters.
Oh, but one plug.
Might need to go to the shop and see if we
Yeah, probably will have to buy one.
And so out here is the glorious, it's quite spacious balcony.
Yeah.
You get a little table, you know, in the morning. Just chilly, yeah.
Nin, you look so cute.
Thanks, Din.
I love them joggies.
They're cool, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Cool, aren't they?
It's so nice.
So that's just a little table where we'll be playing Top Trumps and Uno and Guess Who on there. And then here is the pool view. There's 2 pools. There's a baby, like little child pool there. And oh, you're pointing on the camera.
Oh yeah, why?
Oh, because I was pointing over here and I was like, no, Dinny, it's over here. Look on the camera.
And then the big one's over there. And then the beach.
It's just right. Look how many palm trees there are.
I love palm trees. There's something about them. Concludes the room tour.
I think it does.
I think so.
So yeah, we're in the hotel Globalis
Palmanova. Yeah.
In Palmanova. No, on the door it says Hotel Palmanova.
It's Globalis Palmanova.
Alright.
Yeah, we're gonna... What we're gonna do... Sorry, I was just... Oh wait, my head might be cut out now.
Yeah, probably will be showing these. So yeah, so now the plan is, it is currently 2:05 in Palmanova time. And basically we're just going to go for a walk, look at our surroundings, maybe walk to the beach, because the beach is only, I'd say like a 10-minute walk maybe?
Yeah, I love a good beach walk.
Oh yeah, me too. There's sometimes always, that's a bit of an oxymoron. There's always like little shops that you can look at, like little, you know what I mean? Like where you can get magnets and stuff.
Oh yeah, we
need a bracelet. No, yeah, so that's what we're going to do now.
Get changed and then...
Just head on out for a little walk and then come back for tea time. Show you what the food's like. Yeah. And then basically it's just going to be a little chill night tonight.
Yeah.
And then all of the adventures will start tomorrow. I hope you're excited. If you are, just give this video a thumbs up maybe.
And subscribe.
And subscribe right now.
I was going to like... subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. That was creepy and cringy and embarrassing. So let's just go.
Let's just go
for a walk. We are so tired.
Hey, so we found the supermarket. It's right behind us
it's
here.
In the opposite direction that we walked.
Yeah, it was like a 2-minute walk.
Yeah.
I just asked Ninny for the lovely little bag that we got given, you know. Ninny, where's the bag?
Well, you know, because I went to change my shoes, I just forgot it.
You forgot it?
I left it on the bed. Oh,
like you forgot the camera when we set off.
This isn't a supermarket,
oh, it's not.
That's a fridge shop.
Oh. It's not.
It's got tellies in it.
Not a supermarket. Never mind.
We're going to keep walking.
But he still doesn't have the... No, Ninny, we've come in the wrong bit. Oh god.
We're terrible.
Oh, look at him with his glasses on his head. Ninny looks so cool.
Sefa.
Whoa. So yeah, Nathan hasn't brought the bag.
No.
See you soon.
Bye. Hello.
We found the shop.
We did eventually.
Worst angle ever. Currently. Oh, I'm gonna drop it.
Munching.
This is the best angle ever.
You're currently munching on what you're munching on? A Ben & Jerry's cookie sandwich thing.
Cookie witch thing.
And I got my best friend the most amazing drink whenever you're on holiday. Fanta lemon. You gotta have one. I got a small bottle and I also got like a large bottle so I can fill my little bottle up every day. So yeah.
See you soon.
See you soon. So back in the hotel room. Didn't your head's cut off?
Oh, it's alright.
It's all good, isn't it?
Yeah. So move back so it's not annoying.
Be in line with me. Be in line with your fiancé. Give him a little haul then.
Yeah.
About the luxury items that we bought at the supermarket, right?
Oh, we're posh. I'm in.
Hide it underneath the table. Right, you hold one.
Okay.
I'll hold the other.
Yeah.
First item, water. Evian. Next item, bottle of Fanta Lemon. Because it's my absolute favourite. And I only ever drink it on holiday because it's full fat. Which I don't like
really
drinking
do
full
much.
Fat. Well, no, they don't actually at
anywhere.
home. I haven't, to be honest. So
this is really naughty, but it's because Nim got Fanta Lemon. I got this tropical juice because I just love tropical juice.
Yum.
We got some cheeky chocolate for our little chill night tonight.
Little Netflix and chocolate. I got a crunch bar. Danielle got a milk bar.
Yeah, we've got some Lay's. I'll pretend that to share, but
I got a packet of prawn cocktail Walkers, a packet of roast chicken Walkers.
Morning.
And the final item. Oh wait. Actually, there goes.
Oh, how cute! It's the little ones that say hello. Hi, yeah.
Huh?
The ones that have like words on where you give it to someone, you have to do the thing that it says. Like.
Well, isn't that cute?
Can we see? I think that pink one says high five, and the other one says smile, and there's one that says rock paper scissors. Should we try one?
Oh no.
Morning. You don't have to do it if you want to eat it.
I have to do star jumps.
Oh, it says star jumps. You have to do star jumps and then get your treat. Do 10. 2.
I had to buy a pair of flip-flops because first reason is because I forgot to buy some at home and bring them with me. That's number one. Number two is I've got sliders. I've got 2 pairs. I've got one from Primark and one from Boohoo, which I saw, and they cut my feet in like 10 minutes of wearing them. So
not good.
I had to spend €5 on a pair of flip-flops. Now what we're gonna do
is clean the room because
it's a mess.
It's a mess. It doesn't look as tidy as it did in the room tour. Let me tell you that.
Everything's out of place, everything's all over the place, so yeah, we're just going to take all our clothes out the suitcase and get it all sorted.
Yeah.
And then by the time that's done, we'll probably be getting ready to go down to dinner.
And show you what we have for tea.
At the buffet?
Yes.
I'm going to get a couple of plates, I think.
I'm quite hungry.
I'm starving.
I just fancy chicken nuggets. That's what I hope they have chicken nuggets. That's all I
just fancy a big plate of chips.
I just fancy a big plate of chicken nuggets.
Yes. You're my kind of girl.
You're my kind of boy.
Thank you.
No problem.
So, as you can see, we've got not changed. Except
this black thing on.
Yeah, Danielle's put a black, like, see-through, not see-through.
From Asda, £8.
See-through shirt, as you can probably tell as well that we're absolutely knackered. But yeah, we're going down for something to eat around the buffet, so we're going to bring you down there and show you what food there is to offer, and hopefully we like it. Then what if there is nothing? As long as there's chips.
I just fancy chicken nuggets.
I just want chips. That's all I fancy. But if there's more, I'll probably put more.
Come on, we'll go and see.
Come on then. Okay. Let's go. Meet down there. Oh my god, that's wine. Didn't know that was wine. You get juices, 4 juices. Hello. And then that is just all the different soft drinks you can get. I just went for a Diet Coke. And spill it everywhere. Oh, well done, Nathan. So out of everything you've just seen, I decided to get a garlic and oregano focaccia bread bun. These are little cod fritters. I'm going to try them, and some chips. And Danielle, what did you get?
I got that focaccia.
Focaccia.
Mine looks like mine's got pepperoni on. I think it's spinach.
Spinach, love it.
I shouldn't pick all of that just because spinach, some cheese, don't really know why. Chips and a bread bun.
And bread bun, love it.
Went back for seconds. What did you get, babe?
I just went for my second plate, and I got some pork and chips. We've just finished dinner, and now we've decided to come and look around.
I'm fully human.
Yeah, I'm really full. Oh, don't squeeze my belly. Yeah, so we've just finished dinner, and now we've just decided to come and look around.
Have a little wander around
the grounds of the hotel and see what the pool was like.
So we've come up the top.
Up the top there. Oh, I'm looking at the sky. Let's look down a bit, Nathan. And then there's like a basketball court.
Then there's like a little VIP section up the top there where you get like
you can get like the beds. And there's people dancing over there too.
Really? Let me talk too.
Oh, sorry.
Because you always talk over me and just copy me, and I'm like trying to say.
But there's
I'm gonna do you right.
Go on then. There's sun lounges on this top as well.
There's sun lounges over there, so that's it.
It's quite a big pool actually, and there's quite a lot of beds. And yeah, like the only thing is the pool doesn't actually open till 10:30, which is a bit of a late time to be open, but we'll deal with it. It's not the end of the world. But yeah,
I'm so tired.
I think that concludes our first day.
Yeah, we're just gonna go home.
Home?
Home.
Just gonna go back to our hotel room.
You know you call it home when you're...
Yeah, that's true. Should we end it here? So
well, we can get the room in. Oh, God.
Open the door.
You've got the key.
Oh yeah. Thanks for travelling with us. And
thanks for putting up with us.
Yeah.
If you got to the end.
If you got to the end, answer our question of the day in the comments. What
yeah.
was the question? If you're going on holiday this year, let us know where you're going.
If you're not going on holiday, let us know where you would want to go on holiday.
Exactly.
If you're not going.
Yeah, exactly. Please. So, thanks so much for watching. And
just watch that clip back, Minnie.
Yeah.
The ending to this vlog. Whoa. I think we need to go to bed. Can you?
Yeah. So thank you all so much for watching our day one and travelling with us.
We really hope you enjoyed it.
We do.
Sorry we're so tired now.
And that's why I'm trying to keep a smile on my face. I hope you subscribe and like and do all that good stuff.
I think my hand's shaking because I'm so weak.
Yeah, so we will see you in day 2.
See you in the morning.
See you in the morning. Signing out.
Bye.
Bye.